Here we are, Tyler, and we are entering the Smithsonian Museum of Air and Space. And this is what you see when you very first walk into the door, hanging from the ceiling, all these different planes and rockets. It's just awesome. And someday I hope that you get a chance to come here. Tyler, in this room, there's the first airplanes that were ever designed. There's some very interesting designs here. Some of them are kind of comical. You would find them very funny. What men thought they could get in and fly. Some of them look like big giant kites. These are models of different airplanes.
Do what?
Talking to Tyler. These are models of different airplanes that inventors tried to attempt to fly with. And then this one I found very interesting. I know you'll like this. They took a bicycle, put a motor on it, and attempted to turn it into an airplane. Now, Tyler, this is This is a life-size scale, right? This is a life-size. This is. Oh, I'm sorry. This is the plane. This is the.
Well, it's the one they built for the military.
This is the actual one that the Wright brothers built for the military in 1909. See where the man is sitting up there to fly it? That's the front of the plane right there. I'm telling you.
Big step.
We are now in the jet age, and these planes are actually like sticking out of the wall, hanging from the ceiling. Planes are just everywhere. People are waiting to get on. Waiting in line to get on and see the inside. I've already seen the inside because I was on one just a few hours ago. There's the front of a plane. You would love it in here. When you come to Washington, D.C., you got to get your mom to bring you and Logan so you can see all this air and space. Now, Tyler, these planes right here that you're looking at, these were the kind of planes that were used by the United States Air Force, Navy, when your grandpa Terry was in World War II. Not like the kind of planes that were used today. That's the kind of clothes that the Navy wore. This is a model of the USS Enterprise. All these planes at the front, this was a carrier for all these jets. This is not the kind of ship that your grandpa was talking about. Look how many planes are on that ship. How big do you think that ship was? Okay, Tyler, this plane that I'm showing you right now, this is the kind of aircraft that deliberately crashed into your grandpa's ship and sunk him in the Pacific Ocean. This plane deliberately crashed itself into his ship for the purpose of killing all the men on board. Okay, Tyler, what I have here is this is a scaled model of the planets. This is Jupiter. This is a scaled model as to their size and their location from the sun. Saturn, the rings on Saturn. Mars. Of course, Pluto's up there and it's not a planet anymore.
It is still up there?
Uh-huh. And the blue one right there is Earth. Tyler, this is the very first airplane that Orville and Wilbur Wright flew. You see the model of the man laying down. That's how he flew it, by laying right there on the wings of them. Isn't that amazing? The video that I'm showing you now, Tyler, is the capsule from space shuttle. That's the inside of it right there. It's hanging down from the ceiling here. So now, Tyler, I'm on the side of the Smithsonian Air and Space Museum that shows the rockets. Look at that. And what this says to me is when somebody tells you that it is impossible, that something can't be done, then I think you need to say, I don't believe that. I think I'll find a way. Because that's what these men did. All these men in history were told you can't fly, there are things you cannot do. And they didn't take no for an answer. And you shouldn't either.